What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So we're going to be working on the Crown Vic today. We went ahead and we got some charge pipes in from China and some intercooler, and we went ahead and plumbed in some vacuum lines, the blow-off valve and stuff like that. Now we're going to be working on the intercooler setup and charge pipes, and we're going to be making some boost. Excited?
That's the plan, at least. I mean, we got some ball tires on the rear, so we might need to rob the drag radials off of one of the Mustangs. maybe the Bullet. We could use the 304 Cobra wheels, which we have a 315 Mickey Thompson ET Straight R. That'll be plenty to hook up the 350 400 wheel. Not burn them. We need to get more burners so we can do big smoky burnouts again. Which, I don't know, we're kind of low on burners though. We kind of burnt through them pretty quick.
Yeah, we did. Well, thankfully, AJ, he's got some nice burners he's been saving for us. So
should be able to get those swapped
pretty
on.
Excited.
But, I mean, it did a pretty damn good burnout with just no charge pipes hooked up, so.
Yeah, I need to insert that right now.
That was one of the best burnouts I think I've ever done, just because it was so fun, made all the right noises. The only thing I could ask for more is just a little bit more power, because sometimes in second gear it's a little in and out, it's like, okay, it needs a little bit more power, because if we can burn first through third.
Oh yeah, it's gonna do it now. But we went ahead and we put, what was it, 465 fuel pump in it?
Yeah, so we were diagnosing some fuel pump issues. We weren't sure if it was the fuel pump or the something else. So we put a 465 in it. Should work fine. We did notice that when it was running, it was having the same cold start issues that I had with the Bullet. So there might be something going on with that pump. It's pretty old. It came with the Bullet. So I have a 465 laying around in a billet hat, so we toss it in there, and that should be plenty of fuel, probably up to 500 wheel horsepower on just a single pump.
Can you imagine this with 500 horsepower?
Yeah, well, we would definitely send the rods to the moon. You know, Doge to the moon, rods to the moon too. So we're gonna have to watch boost creep, because obviously, this is not a legit kit. You know, this is not like a representation of awesome work. This is a representation of straight up fun, cheap, random ass stuff thrown together. So yeah,
I'm excited. It's gonna have a nice little front mount now.
Yeah.
By far, this is like the as raggedy as it is. It is so much fun to build this thing.
Let's go get a welder.
All right, so we get the charge pipes all hooked up. Made some brackets for it, and now we wait for a tune. It's having the same issue with fuel pump. It's not getting fuel right now, so we're gonna figure that out. But I'm pretty happy with the setup, how it is so far. What do you think?
Not bad for what it is.
Yeah, I'm just excited, man. I just want this thing to fire and run.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, we've been waiting on a tune for it, but
most of all, I just want to see a burnout, that's all.
Yeah.
I don't care if it runs like shit, or as long as it doesn't burn out, it makes cool turbo noises. It'll be fine.
Yeah.
I think it's going to be surprising, though. I think it's going to surprise a lot of people, to be honest.
Yeah, I think so too. I'm just really excited for it to run. It just looks so legit now for all the charge pipes. So, all right, now we wait for a tune. All right, so we also got the wastegate up pipe welded in into the wastegate here. And huge shout out to Sapolis Custom Auto. They do a bunch of exhaust work and stuff, and they're literally right down the street from us, so definitely hit them up if you want to do some muffler deletes and stuff like that. It'll give you guys a discount if you give us a mention. So huge shout out to him. I just can't wait for this to do the poppies out of here and the pops out of there. So,
Oh, dude, I feel like
still waiting on the tune. All right, to recap on the Crown Vic today, unfortunately we couldn't get a tune for it. I'm pretty sure that we got to switch over to a stock pump with a booster on it, and yeah, so gotta go back to a stock pump life because it won't run. Gosh, that looks so sweet though, that up pipe and the new wastegate pipe. I'm excited. I just want it to run, man. Like, that's the only thing. All right, guys, so that's gonna do it for today's video. Unfortunately, like I said, we couldn't get it tuned today, but we're just gonna have to wait on that. We're gonna have to put a new fuel pump in it, the stock pump with a fuel pump booster, and then we'll be good to go. So I appreciate you guys watching. Definitely leave a comment, like, and share this video. We'll see you on the next one.